Hello, everybody, and welcome to my channel and this amazing day. I want to go over Live and Let Live with you today. It's really a heartfelt video today. I see so many people arguing here on YouTube and Facebook and other places that they are almost ordering people like to be spiritual. You have to eat vegetables, or you have to eat meat, or whatever it is, or you have to do this, or you have to do that. I want to clarify that a lot of these are self-imposed. We each individually need to let each other be led by Spirit, be led by God, to our own truths, to what works for us. We're forgetting that some people have medical problems. They might not be able to digest meats or vegetables or whatever. Some people are on medications, and that does not allow them to lose the weight or become what they want to become. And all we're doing by purposely putting out there, you have to do this and you have to do that, is we're putting out frustration. We're trying to control other people, and we don't want to do that. Everybody individually needs to be controlled by Spirit. We can put our truths out there in a way of love, a way of guidance, if it resonates with the person listening to the video or seeking guidance. We don't want to control anybody. Most of us know if we try to deeply control our spouses, our relationships, our children, and things, it makes them act up worse. We all have in that ourselves, that little bit of rebelness that makes us want to go against something someone is telling us to do. We can ask in a way of love, could you please do this? Could you please try this? And this comes from a space of love in our hearts to help someone instead of ordering them around. So let's live our lives, live our truths. We can share our truths without being overpowering and trying to control another person, because that just shies them away from us. We all know those people in our lives that say we must do this and we must do that. That's not true. If it doesn't resonate with you, don't do it. Just ease, breathe, and seek your own truth. Seek the way God is leading you, the universe, the spiritual side of things. What are they saying? Not the voices of the world. We have to get in a place where we find less control in leadership. We are to lead and guide and help people, but not from a place of, overtaking somebody. Don't make it dogmatic that somebody has to do something. They don't have to do anything. They are beings. They are spiritual beings, as we are, in a body. We inhabit a body, but each of our bodies are different. So whatever is true for you, say you're on keto, great, wonderful. Say you are a vegan, wonderful. That works for you. Praise the Lord for that. Whatever is working for you, do it. Seek your guidance, but don't let anything other than Spirit, other than God, other than your angels and your spirit guides to tell you specifically what to do. You will get guidance in your dreams, in your meditations, in your deep thinking moments. Celebrate every moment. But remember, people are individual. Everyone. I am individual from you, and I seek to help you. but I don't seek to control you. Don't try to control anybody or the circumstances. Live and let live. Let people find their truths for themselves. Don't be dogmatic on people. Everybody has a different situation, and we're not in their bodies. We're not in their circumstances. They may smoke just because they're self medicating to try to, ease a situation, just as taking prescription medications might be your truth. So remember that when you're dealing with people, lead and guide from a place of love. Don't be telling people specifically what they should do. Share what you are doing, but make sure people know they are free to choose what they feel is right for them. So this isn't a long video. This is just something that came up in my life recently, and I thought I'd speak about it and just let people be themselves. Live and let live. God bless you all. I love each and every one of you. You are deeply and divinely loved. Love and light to all, and God bless you all, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye for now.